Hello guys and welcome to Manual Education. If you're planning to take the MBA CET or CMAT exams, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we are going to help you prepare for this exam with our self-study resources that will help you boost your score and get into best B schools. Guys, as you all know that CMAT forms are out. If you haven't filled the form yet, we have made a dedicated video for that, so you all can watch that and start with your form filling process. And MBA CET is also around the corner. So why not go for both the exams, as it's always better to have a backup option. We'll be looking at the mocks, video lectures, books and the sectional courses which you can take for your self-study preparations. So let's dive right in. But before we move on, there's an important notice to you all. If you're planning to prepare for the year 2024 or even 25, we have launched the batches for that. And if you want to join our live classes and online session, you can contact our number 8828581455. If you are in Mumbai looking for classroom coaching, you can visit our centers Vasai, Dadar, Borivali, and we are coming up with a center in Thane as well. So you can always prepare for CAT examination, CMAT, of course, MBA CET, SNAP, NMAT, MAT and many other MBA examinations, guys. You will be provided with video lectures, mock tests, books, mentorship strategies and many more things, guys. So now allow me to take you to the official website of Manual Education and guide you about the self-study resources. Alright, so this is the official website, manualedu.com. Click on buy online. Click on MBA entrance, scroll down, so you get 4 tabs over here: full course, book study materials, mock test and sectional courses. We'll be exploring each of them. So first things first, let's start with the full course. Click on show package, scroll down. So you have to check this program, MBA CET 2023, if you're targeting for the MBA CET. Turbo program you have to check, click on view details. You get 387 video lectures, 60 handouts and 10 mock tests over here. So it's a very good way to start off your preparations if you haven't started off your preparations, because you get video lectures, handouts and mock tests in this. So with video lectures, what you can do is you can note down some important points. Through handouts, you can also note down some important points, and the benefit of handouts is that you can print it for yourself for your revision part as well. And with mock test, you can always analyze your preparation. Same way you can check out the self-study part for CMAT as well, the turbo program. Click on view details. So you get 504 video lectures, 101 handouts and 10 mock tests over here. So again, through video lectures you can start your preparations if you haven't, or else you can check out the combo pack of CMAT and MBA CET known as the MBA Silver program, in which you get 524 video lectures, 110 handouts and 20 mock tests. So you can go for either of the program and start off your preparation. You can also order yourself books. Click on show packages, scroll down. So you have to check all the 3 tabs over here. The first one being the set of hard copies. Click on view details. So you get quantitative aptitude, English, reasoning, data interpretation and general studies. To order, you simply have to click on add to cart and it will get delivered to you within 7 working days, pan India level. If you are targeting solely for the MBA CET, you have to check the second tab. Click on view details. You get quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English and data interpretation. The process is still the same. If you want to order, you simply have to click on add to cart, or else you can check the ebooks also. Click on view details. Again, you get quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, English and general studies. The content is gonna be the same. It's just that it's in the ebook format. Also, you can check out the single subject books such as quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English and general studies. If you think you are weak in a particular subject, you can check either of this program and start with your preparation. And talking about the single subject, you can also check out the sectional courses which you think you are weak in and you want to work on it. Click on show package. So if you think you are weak in cons, DIDS or DC, English or verbal ability, logical reasoning, GK and current affairs, you can check out these sectional courses and you can start off your preparations, guys. And to all of you who haven't started off your preparations or are completely done with your preparations or even partially done with your preparations, start giving mock tests, guys, because mock tests give you a proper analyzation of your preparation. So click on mock test show package, scroll down. So you have to check these 2 tabs. The first one is for CMAT. Click on view details. So you get 10 mock tests over here. And if you click on MBA CET, again you get 10 mock tests over here. So the target is simple: give as many mocks as possible, score as many marks as you can and crack both the examinations in your very first attempt. And to all of those who haven't started off your preparations and really want to crack the CMAT and CET examination this year or even next year, they can start with their preparations with us. You simply have to call on 8828581455 if you're looking for live class and online session. And if you're in Mumbai, you can always visit our centers Borivali, Vasai and Dadar, and we are also coming up with a new center in Thane. And thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you in your preparation for MBA CET and CMAT examination. Don't forget to check out the self-study resources to take your preparation to the next level. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you don't want to miss any of the notifications related any of the exams, what you have to do is you have to follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and you better subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to stay updated with the exam notifications and updates. And all the important links regarding the self-study resources I've mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description. I'll see you in some another video guys. Till then, take care and prepare well.